Adding a new leak sensor using TrustHab is very easy. First, go to the Devices module and click on the plus button. Next, select the location for the sensor, the building, unit, and in this case, the bedroom. You can then define a name for the sensor, choose the type of sensor, and specify the brand and model. Finally, choose the type of battery the device will use and its expected duration. Once this is done, go to the Installation module. You will see that your new device is available and ready to be paired with the network. Select the gateway and then put the device in inclusion mode. Here I have the device open. I'm going to press this 3 times very quickly, and then press it 1 more time. As you can see, the blue light flashes. At this same time, your device is in inclusion. Once the node is added, click close on the portal. Eventually, the light will stop flashing and turn green. This means your device has been added and is now ready to be used on the platform.